village, every city's soaring tower. Empty people live in darkness, every minute, every hour. Hear the cry of desperation from a billion broken hearts. With a need so great, where do we even start? Let it start with me. Open up my eyes, fill my heart with your compassion, free my mind from all distractions. Use my hands to set the captive free, move my feet to follow after you. Lord, change the world and let it start with me. The orders, there's a place for everyone. I don't want to miss my mission in the plan that you've begun. You have promised to go with me to the edges of it all, and change everything that keeps me from your call. Let it start with me. Open up my eyes, fill my heart with your compassion, free my mind from all distractions. Use my hands to set the captive free, move my feet to follow after you. Lord, change the world and let it start with me. Take my life, all that I have called my own. Everything I am is yours alone. Let it start with me. Open up my eyes, fill my heart with your compassion, free my mind from all distractions. Use my hands to set the captive free, move my feet to follow after you. Lord, change the world and let it start with me. Open up my eyes, fill my heart with your compassion, free my mind from all distraction. Use my hands, set the captive free, move my feet to follow after you. Lord, change In the eye of the storm, you remain in control. And in the middle of the war, you guard my soul. You alone are the anchor when my sails are torn. Your love surrounds me in the eye of the storm. When the solid ground is falling out from underneath my feet, between the black skies and my red eyes, I can barely see. When I realize I've been sold out by my friends and my family, I can feel the rain reminding me. In the eye of the storm, you remain in control. In the middle of the war, you guard my soul. You alone are the anchor when my sails are torn. Your love surrounds me in the eye of the storm.
When my hopes and dreams are far from me and I'm running out of faith, I see the future I picture slowly fade away. And when the tears of pain and heartache are pouring down my face, I find my peace in Jesus' name.
In the eye of the storm, you remain in control. In the middle of the war, you guard my soul. You alone are the anchor when my sails are torn. Your love surrounds me in the eye of the storm. Comes in and the doctor says I've only got a few months left. It's like a bitter pill I'm swallowing, I can barely take a breath. And when addiction steals my baby girl and there's nothing I can do, my only hope is to trust you. I trust you, Lord. In the eye of the storm, you remain in control. Of the war, you guard my soul. You alone are the anchor when my sails are torn. Your love surrounds me in the eye of the storm. You remain in control. In the middle of the war, you guard my soul. You alone are the anchor when my sails are torn. Surrounds me in the eye of the storm.
Lord, in the eye of, Lord, in the eye of the storm. I know you're watching me, yeah.
When the storm is raging,
When the storm is raging,
and my hope is gone,
and my hope is gone, Lord.
when my flesh is failing, you're still holding on. When the storm is raging,
The storm is raging,
and my hope is gone,
and all my hope is gone.
when my flesh is failing,
Flesh is
you're still holding on. When the storm is raging,
The storm is raging,
and my hope is gone,
and my hope is gone.
when my flesh is failing,
Flesh is
still holding on, holding on.
The Lord is my shepherd, I have all that I need. He lets me rest in green meadows. He leads me beside peaceful streams. He renews my strength.